I am fixing my tube front end. Well, anytime this gets pressed on or anything, it's been flexing my cowl so bad. And we got this like weird creak and I couldn't figure out what it was. And now since the winch works and it's actually sucking down, it's like pulling the front cowl off. It's like minor details. I'm gonna cut this tube out that's bolted to the cowl. And I'm gonna shove a tube in here. I'm gonna bend and keep it out of the tire and bring it back up, same spot. And then that'll keep it rigid. Like, listen, hear that? Different, not rigid, rigid. That's if you know your tube's solid or not.
He's taking our buggy apart, Macy.
You're bad, daddy.
Why?
So you said that you could only buy one.
This is why I like this tube better.
Mama. Daddy.
That's a limp bend, we gotta go more.
Yep.
Hi, Dad.
So I gotta go, just put a protractor on there and go, yeah, this is why I need to bend it.
It's basketball.
It's basketball. It's a volleyball. I'm not gonna throw that one yet.
Digital angle finder. I gave it to you.
No, you did. Yeah, you did. Sorry.
I was like, pretty sure you did.
It's in my pocket.
Gotta go 42.5 for the 2-inch spring back. Yeah, because it was 228, so we had about a 2-inch spring back. And every time, this is a 2, it's got a 2-inch spring back with this center.
You mean 2 degree.
Huh?
You mean 2 degree, not 2 inch.
Well, you know what I mean. You know what I mean. 2 degree.
You
2 degree of spring back on my machine, not inch. So we're probably gonna want like a 50 or a 60, I feel. Careful. You wanna hand me the Sharpie one?
That's your man, not me.
Here we go. 55 degrees. Actually, I bent it a total of 60 to give me 55 degrees. When you're bending tube, you're gonna have what they call spring back. My machine has spring back. Other machines might not. You have to account for it. So what you do is you bend the tube to the desired degree, then you relax it, and then you check your pressure die or your roller die to see if there's any tension on it, and if there's no tension on it, you go and check your degree and you go, okay, shoot, I bent it to 50, but I'm really at 45, so I need to bend it 5 more degrees to make up for that spring back. So that's what I did. I had to bend it 60 degrees to give me 55 degrees. break out your tube notcher and you just want to do a quick and dirty grind cup, figure out the angle of the dangle, cut it, and then you gotta do minimal coping.
What are you doing?
I'm drilling what they call rosette holes. So I strengthen the tube. I don't know what I'm doing, dude. I just seen it on a YouTube video, so I'm doing it. All right, perfect. Oh, come on.
That's a nice tight fit.
Yeah, it works. That's what it'll look like. We can even... Well, there you go.
Oh yeah, that looks tight.
Looks good.
All right, and there you have it. Cut off. Time to bend another piece of tube. We'll get that all cleaned up. Make it look good. Macy, what do you think?
Oh shit.
It's broken? She ain't lying. It's gonna be perfect.
Look at you.
Getting closer.
First shot. And here is the finished product, all painted up and ready to go. How freaking sweet does this new bar look? Bill did such a great job. I painted it up, of course, and got it all looking pretty. Super happy with how it turned out and really excited to see how much this stiffens up the buggy.
I bent up 2 tubes and I fixed my weird chassis noise. So this wasn't attached at all, it was bolted just to the cowl or to the front cap of this thing. So it was flexing pretty bad. It split me down here. It was just making horrible noises, causing a bunch of ruckus. So we added those tubes to stiffen it up, and now it doesn't move. It's super solid. My next adventure on this, I'm gonna probably cut out some sheet metal and put a whole new piece right across here. Put a brake in it, weld it in, like it never even happened. Speaking of next videos, why don't you guys go ahead and drop me some questions down in the comments, because me and Denise want to sit down and do a Q&A video. What do you want to know about us? What do you want to know about the buggy? Anything. Go ahead, ask the questions down in the comments. Let me know. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell so you can be notified when I got another video coming. Catch you guys next time on Fake News Off-Road.